Some legends aren't born, they are rediscovered. A forgotten soul of steel, left silent and rusting in the weeds. But what you're about to witness is not just a simple repair. It is a resurrection. The painstaking journey to reclaim a lost legacy begins now. Under the workshop lights, a full deconstruction commences. Every screw and plate holds a story of neglect. To rebuild it, they must first unmake it completely. Years of decay are stripped away with methodical precision. Each part is carefully removed, a testament to the challenge ahead. The heart of the machine lies dormant, waiting. Dismantling reveals the true extent of the damage within. The once mighty engine is silenced, its inner workings exposed. Layer by layer, the past is peeled back. It takes teamwork and strength to separate the engine from its frame. Even the smallest components are cataloged for restoration. The worn-out tires, carriers of forgotten journeys, are cast aside. The bare skeleton of the machine is all that remains. Now, the purification process can begin. An astonishing transformation starts with an electric current. Decades of rust are purged from the fuel tank, bleeding into the water. The water darkens, proof of a deep and powerful cleansing. Every component of the engine is meticulously scrubbed by hand. A hidden brilliance is slowly unveiled from beneath the grime. High-pressure water blasts away the last remnants of its former decay. The frame is reborn, stripped bare, and ready for a new beginning. No detail is too small in this quest for perfection. Sparks fly as the surface is prepared for its new identity. Imperfections are ground away, making the old metal smooth and new. Damaged sections are carefully repaired, reinforcing the machine's strength. Modern materials are blended with vintage steel. Each part is shaped and refined with an artist's touch. The results of this intense labor begin to show. A collection of pristine parts, ready for the final transformation. The stage is set for a stunning metamorphosis. With every piece restored, a legend is poised to return. The process of renewal continues, sanding away the last traces of the past. Even the fractured fuel tank is meticulously smoothed by hand. Patience and effort transform the battered metal. The frame, now coated in deep black, exudes a newfound power. The first coat of paint is applied, signaling a dramatic shift. Each part is given a new, resilient skin. The shock absorbers are renewed in a sleek, black finish. The engine block itself is prepared for its dark new armor. A fine mist of paint transforms the heart of the machine. Smaller components receive the same careful treatment. A striking silver gray is chosen for the fuel tank. The fenders are coated in the same elegant hue. A brilliant copper tone is introduced, adding a touch of classic style. The fuel tank receives its final, stunning layer of color. The harmony of colors begins to take shape. A deep, glossy black provides a powerful contrast. The vision is almost complete, a mosaic of restored parts. From forgotten rust, a work of art has emerged. The rich copper color gleams under the workshop lights. The two-tone design of the fuel tank is now complete. Now, for the final and most crucial phase, the assembly. The freshly painted components are laid out, ready to be reunited. The skeleton of the bike begins to take form once more. The rear suspension is carefully fitted into place. The wheel is mounted, a major step toward completion. Every bolt is tightened with precision and care. The machine is slowly, carefully, becoming whole again. The rear wheel is now fully secured to the frame. The elegant copper fender is attached, adding a splash of color. Each new piece brings the vision closer to reality. The front wheel and fork assembly are installed. The silhouette of a classic motorcycle has returned. It stands on its own two wheels for the first time in years. The rebirth is nearly complete, a stunning transformation. Now, the engine, the very soul of the machine, is prepared. Final adjustments are made with an expert's touch. The controls are carefully removed for the next phase. The handlebars are detached, making way for the engine. The intricate assembly of the controls requires a steady hand. The wiring, the machine's nervous system, is carefully accessed. New, gleaming components are integrated into the classic design. The powerful engine is awakened from its slumber. Each part is fitted with exacting standards. The elegant fuel tank is lowered into its final position. Lifeblood is poured into the engine for the very first time. The finished machine stands proudly, a fusion of black and copper. Ready to reclaim the open road? A rider takes his place, ready to ignite the reborn legend. The world seen from a new perspective. A stark reminder of where this journey began. From dust and decay to a masterpiece of motion. The restoration of another classic begins with a single, damaged piece. Once again, the careful process of disassembly is underway. Every component is methodically detached from the main frame. The bike is reduced to its essential parts. Each piece, no matter how small, is part of the puzzle. The goal is to rebuild from the ground up. The entire structure is taken apart with practiced ease. The front end is completely removed, followed by the rear wheel assembly. The suspension is unbolted from the frame. Finally, the frame stands bare once more. A chaotic collection of parts covers the workshop floor. The painstaking work of repair and refinement begins. The bodywork is meticulously restored by hand. Every dent and scratch is painstakingly removed. The bare metal is now ready for a new finish. All parts are prepared for the transformative painting process. The final canvas is a collection of perfectly restored components. Now, the meticulous process of cleaning and preparation begins. Every surface must be perfect before the first coat of paint. The engine casing is smoothed with focused determination. The bare frame is inspected and prepared. Even the smallest pieces are given the same attention to detail. Sanding by hand ensures a flawless surface. This meditative work is essential for a perfect finish. Each part is slowly transformed, ready for its new color. The old headlight housing is carefully sanded down. The fuel tank is coated in primer, a blank slate for the artist. The curved fender is smoothed to perfection. This intensive preparation is the secret to a stunning final product. One by one, the components are made ready. The work is demanding, but the results are worth it. From rough and worn to smooth and refined. The commitment to quality is evident in every action. Finally, the last pieces are prepared. The stage is set for the final, dramatic color transformation. The engine receives a lustrous coat of silver paint. The fine mist transforms the metal, giving it a new life. Other parts are given the same brilliant finish. Now, a deep, commanding black is applied to the frame. The contrast between the black and silver begins to form the bike's new identity. Each piece receives a perfect, even coat. A sleek gray is chosen for other key components. The exhaust pipe is finished in a durable matte black. The fuel tank is transformed by the elegant silver gray. The fenders match, creating a cohesive and stylish look. With the painting complete, the restored parts are a sight to behold. The grand assembly begins, bringing the vision to life. The gauges are carefully installed into the main console. The front fork and suspension are reconnected to the frame. The front wheel is mounted, and the bike starts to take shape. The rear suspension is fitted with precision. Bit by bit, the puzzle pieces come together. The rear fender is attached, completing the bike's profile. The masterpiece is in its final stages of creation. The engine, gleaming in silver and black, is a work of art in itself. The handlebars are carefully mounted and secured. The intricate controls are reassembled with a delicate touch. Each switch and lever is perfectly placed. A custom high-performance air filter is installed. The kickstand is attached, allowing the bike to stand on its own. The engine casing is given a final polish, gleaming with pride. The exhaust pipes, wrapped in black, are carefully installed. A custom metal plate is added to the fuel tank. The rear fender is bolted securely into its final position. The passenger foot pegs are attached. The taillight is wired up and installed. The stunning new headlight is prepared for mounting. Its complex wiring is meticulously connected. The headlight shines, a beacon signaling the bike's return. The restoration is complete. A modern classic is born from ruins. The legend is reborn, ready to conquer the road once more. The journey ends where it was always meant to be, on the open road. A very special thank you to the owner of Michael Restoration for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.